My student number is 101400851. Today I'm going to show the second assignment for the course COMP 2152. So there are two parts in this assignment. The first one is to design a game application. So first thing I import two things, string and the random. And the next I connect to my Google Drive account. And the next I design a function to first open the score.txt file to see if there's any content in the file. There will be a score stored in the file in the future, but right now I just check if there's a score already. If there is a score, it will show the message that I'm happy to meet you again. Your last score is content, which is included in the file. And else, but if there's no score inside, it will print welcome to your math game. And includes three exceptions. One is a file not found error. So just in case there's no file, like right now, the system will create the score.txt file. And the next exception is OS error. So just in case there's some problem when it read the file, it will show the message file found, but the error reading file. But for other exceptions, it will print the message that an unexpected error occurred. So next thing, I just define a max score is a global variables and assign a zero to this variable. And I design a new function called myMathTest. I generate two random integers between 1 and 10. Next, I generate a random operator. So there are three operators I can select randomly, plus, minus, and multiple. So I will form a question for users, such as, for example, the first number is 8 and second number is 5. And I choose randomly operator, for example, plus. So I will ask the users what's the result of 8 plus 5. And the user will enter their answers, and I will check if their answer is correct. So if they are correct, they will get 1 mark added into their max score. If their answer is wrong, I will deduct 1 mark from their max score. But just in case their max score is greater than zero, because if they already got the zero, they cannot like deduct 1 mark from the zero. They cannot get like -1, right? So if that is the case, it will show the message your score is zero already. Keep going. So next, I design a new infinite loops. Um, so I will run the myMathTest function, and once the users finish the test, the question, they will be asked to like, do you want to continue? If they enter capital Y or lowercase y, they can do the game again and earn a point. But otherwise, it will show like, thank you for playing. You got the max score, which is the total scores for this game, and wow, at the end. So I will run this to see if it works. So 0 multiplied by 5 is 0. So I got wrong. I got right answer. So I get 1 point. So I choose to continue. So 2 minus 6 is -4. Yes, I'm right. And I don't want to continue. Or I can continue, but I enter like 5 minus 8 is minus 3. Yeah, I got answer, and I don't want to continue to see. Yeah, right now I got 3. And right now my score is 3. And I will run it again. So 9 plus 8. This time I entered the wrong number, for example 0. So it will show the correct answer is 17. And I will not continue. So I will got 2 right now. Because I just got the wrong answer, and I deduct 1 point from my original max score. So the last thing is I need to save the score in this file. So I run this code, and it will create a file, and yeah, it will show 2 here. So this is first part, and second part is to form a function based on formula. So first thing, I print the message, and welcome to this game, and I allow users to enter 3 integers. So A is 1, B is 5, C is 6. And the next thing is I need to like show an equation to users. So I write the code, and it will show here. And the next thing is to define a discriminate function. So I return the b plus square of 2 minus 4 multiple a plus multiple c, and import math, and I design a new function here. So there are 3 conditions. One is d. D is a discriminate function, and there are a, b, c as 3 parameters in this function. So I pass this function to see if d is greater than 0. There's a string. We got 2 real solution, or if d equal to 0, it will show another message, and some else situation is a new string as well, and this function is returning the string. And the last thing is open the file to save the output. So I run this one, so it will, when I open this file, it will show the output. That's it. That's for my work. Thank you so much.